How to apply test event code. Open your TikTok business account, go to Assets, Advertiser account, open Ads Manager, Assets, Web Events, select your pixel, copy a test event code from test events. Here you can see in test events, you will get the test event code. Copy it and paste it in the app, Infinite Facebook and TikTok pixel like this. Now click on the save button. Our test event code has been applied. Now let's move to our online store. Let's perform any activity. This is not an actual purchase, I'm just doing it for demo. Reload this page. Move back to the store. Let's see in our test events, is our events triggered or not. You can see our each and every event has been triggered over here. Let's move back to the store, reload this page. Here in analytics, you can see each and every activity has been triggered.